Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini like Siri. First, navigate to your device's settings and locate the Gemini application. Ensure it is enabled and then grant all necessary permissions, including microphone access for voice commands and notifications for alerts. Finally, personalize your experience by choosing your desired voice and language from the available options. This foundational setup ensures Gemini operates smoothly. Now, let's customize your voice commands to make Gemini truly yours. You can create specific phrases to trigger actions, like sending a message or starting a timer. Also, set up shortcuts to launch frequently used apps with just your voice. Don't forget to fine-tune the sensitivity for the "Hey Gemini" activation phrase, ensuring it responds perfectly to your voice without accidental triggers. This personalization saves you valuable time. To further enhance Gemini's utility, integrate it with your other digital tools. Connect it to your smart home devices, allowing you to control lights or thermostats with voice commands. Link your calendar, email, and messaging apps for seamless communication and organization. Additionally, explore setting up automation routines that combine multiple actions, like a morning routine that gives you the weather and your schedule. This creates a powerful, interconnected assistant. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips to maximize your Gemini experience. Don't hesitate to ask complex, multi-step questions. Gemini is designed to handle them. Stay updated with the latest software versions to discover new features and improvements that enhance its capabilities. For those looking to expand their tech ecosystem, remember to check the description below for links to great deals and other helpful products, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your fully customized AI assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.